Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Just finished eating. I'm at the house, hung out with the fam for a little bit. I'm planning on going out because I think you guys would like to see this new Gamestop mystery box. I did it last year. It got a lot of views. People really enjoyed it. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. But I'm going to go and pick one up and we'll see what we get. It's going to be crazy, I know, at GameStop. I know it's going to be really insane. They got great deals. I know they got like a PlayStation with Spider-Man for $199. They got tons of crazy deals. Funko Pops for $8. I'll put a link in the description box below for all the GameStop stuff that's going on for Black Friday for your convenience. But yeah, let's head out and hopefully it's not too crazy. DJ Delz.
I'm online. GameStop. About to get that Black Friday box. This line's crazy. Goes all the way back. Alright, we're almost at the register. Unbelievable. It's taking forever.
Alright, so we're back at the house and I got the package. I opened the plastic so we don't have to deal with all that. Right off the bat, you hear that? Sounds like it's broken. We'll see what's inside though, but bang that thumbs up button for Thanksgiving. I hope everyone enjoyed their day today with their family and friends. Had a pretty good Thanksgiving, and let's open this thing up, man. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing if we score any goodies, right? There is some chases, which is always fun, and we shall see if I got one, which it looks like I didn't. And it's just an absolute mess. We got all these stars here, and we got Angela from Gargoyles. So we didn't hit, boo-hoo, but I was hoping to hit. I wasn't gonna buy a whole bunch of them like last year because honestly I just wasn't as excited this year, but I felt like it would be fun to at least do one mystery box and see what we got. Here's a quick look out of the box. The paint is nice, great details, definitely. I'm just not into gargoyles, so, you know, this wasn't a hit for me. Kind of disappointed, I'm going to be honest with you. And, you know, it is what it is. There's a look at the back. I mean, it's a great looking pop. I just don't collect gargoyles. But I'll definitely hook someone up with this. Let me know what you're aiming to get on the mystery box. I'd love to know. What are you aiming to pick up? Like as far as in the mystery box, what Funko Pop did you want? Leave that in the comments. Maybe it was this one. Maybe this is the one you're trying to hit on. You're trying to land on this one right here. That could be it. We plan on giving this away. We also got Count Chocula right there, which is awesome. I like this Pez. I've been collecting the Pez lately. I've been trying not to, but I definitely have been collecting these Pez. And this will go in the collection right here. Next we got a Jerry plushie, which I kind of want Tom now, right? I mean, if I have Jerry, I need Tom. Tom and Jerry, right? I'm definitely going to hook up my kids with this, along with all of these stars. I mean, it's just a package full of these stars right here that I assume go in the dark. I don't understand why we got that, but we do. And we have pin close up real quick, which, I mean, I can't even believe it wasn't even in like a plastic or anything like that. It's just loosely thrown in there. Just really messy how they packaged this thing. It's kind of a whack box this year, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a little disappointed in the box. Let me know how you feel about the box and all the different options of what you could get. I just, I feel like last year's was better. Let me know if you think last year's was better or this year's was better. I enjoyed last year's, but this year's, kind of weak. That's just my opinion. But leave yours in the comment box below. And I got some more stuff to check out. I got a bunch of stuff on clearance over at Walmart, and I paid, I think, like $2.99 for each Funko Pop. I will link in the description box below the clearance section of Walmart. They have so many Funko Pops right now, and one of them is something that I wanted to see if we could score a chase. Thought it would be fun to see if we got the chase of, which it looks like we didn't. No, we didn't score the chase. of Jafar from Aladdin. But really awesome Funko Pop. I did want this for the collection, so I'm happy to get it. I'm thinking about maybe ordering like maybe 20 of these because they're $2.99 and seeing what the odds are of getting a chase. Once again, that will be linked in the description box below if you want to try that out. There's a good chance you're going to score a chase if you order 20 of them. For $2.99, I think this was a great buy. Let me know what you think.
There's a quick look at him out of the box. Looks awesome. Really awesome pop. I love how it's translucent in the bottom and then it converts to that solid red. Really done in a great way. There's a side profile. So good. It's a great pop. And there's a look at the back.
Next box is for this set that I need. I only have one so far. I'm definitely into like rock bands and collecting the Funko Pops of them. So I have Tommy Lee already, but I definitely needed Vince Neil, which is completely trashed and I will be returning. I mean, that just sucks right there. So I will be returning this, definitely this Vince Neil. But yeah, I paid $2.99 for this, and I'll return it, and I'll get another one. I probably will just give them a call, and they will resend me one that isn't all banged up. But that does suck right there. Love this, though, man. Awesome Funko Pop, though.
And there's badass Vince Neil right there in the Shot of the Devil outfit. Great album, classic.
And last but not least, I got this shipped to me and delivered to the store. And this is a box lunch exclusive that I really wanted, sold out, and they restocked it. And that is Winnie the Pooh Flocked, which looks absolutely amazing right there. It looks literally like a stuffed animal, and I love that. Box is in good condition, and I always have them ship it to the store so I could avoid shipping, because I mean, who wants to pay for shipping? Shipping sucks, you know. I don't want to pay extra money. I'm already paying extra on tax, so if I could avoid that, I'm gonna avoid that by just stopping by the store. And hey, I may have some luck and run into a chase or an exclusive while I'm there, so I don't mind having them ship it to the store and then picking it up there versus me paying $6-7 for shipping. Always have them ship it to the store. Just like if you go to the Walmart site, I was telling you, I'll have that linked in the description box, along with a bunch of other Funko Pops. Always have it shipped to the store, and this way you're avoiding your cost. So if you're buying a Funko Pop for $2.99 that's on sale, whether it's from Marvel and Star Wars, you're only paying tax. So you're gonna pay like $3 and change versus paying like $8 to have it shipped to your house. I mean, you know, it just makes no sense. Drive to Walmart, you know what I'm saying? It's very easy. They send you a barcode when it's there, and then they scan it, and then you're saving money. So it's definitely a good look to always have it sent to the store, definitely. If you may hear my son, he's making all types of noises playing downstairs with his sisters.
And here's Pooh Bear, which looks amazing, absolutely amazing.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I wanted to definitely try this out for you all. And do I recommend it? Absolutely not. I don't think this is really that great. And that's just my opinion. This was $20. Tomorrow it will be $25. And also, if you're looking for last year's box, it's on sale for $9.99. I will link that in the description box below. And I thought last year's box was way better than this year's box. I feel like this year's box was super weak. I just wanted to honestly just pick this up for you, the viewers out there, being that this released, and I wanted to hit you guys with a review of everything. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow with a new video. We out.
So happy he's back.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield.
Oh, master.
That's right. Delete. Delete. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching movies. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
I think he spiked his lemonade. Yes, DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
Senor Benjamin.
Ready to a battlefield massacre.